This city didn't flood from rain. Something down there is drinking the streets.
That's not debris. That's a skeleton, moving. We're not here to win a fight. We're here to stop a collapse.
It's not swimming. It's tunneling under the water.
That's not a monster. That's a demolition permit with a heartbeat.
Good news, the shield holds. Bad news, it throws trucks next. If it reaches the bridge, the shoreline goes down. We redirect it.
It tracks brightness, like a broken machine still hunting power. If it's built from construction, we use construction to break it.
There, between the plates. It has to breathe somewhere.
We don't stab it. We anchor it, then overload the seam.
Hey, Scrap Snake, follow the light! I don't stop it. I just buy seconds. Anchor 1. If it can't move, it can't kill the city. It's learning, turning the trap on us. Breathe again. I dare you. You wanted power? Congratulations! Now you're the circuit. Pull!
Blueprint says, leverage beats brute force. When the city goes quiet, that's when you hear the next problem.
It's calling. Something under the city. We're not alone. Next episode, we meet what it was warning us about.